Peppermint, Mentha piperita, is a widely known herb used in a variety of ways for its distinct flavor, fragrance, and medicinal properties. It is a hybrid plant that combines spearmint and watermint and is found in many parts of the world. Over centuries, peppermint has been used for a variety of health-related purposes, with many scientific studies now confirming its numerous health benefits. In this video, we explore the top 10 health benefits of peppermint. Number 1. Relieves digestive issues. One of the most prominent uses of peppermint is for relieving digestive issues. The menthol in peppermint has antispasmodic properties that help relax the muscles of the digestive tract, making it particularly useful for conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, indigestion, bloating, and gas. Peppermint oil, when consumed in the form of enteric-coated capsules, can help reduce abdominal pain, discomfort, and bloating in IBS sufferers. Drinking peppermint tea can also soothe the stomach and aid in digestion after a heavy meal, providing much-needed relief. Number 2. Eases headaches and migraines. Peppermint has been shown to effectively relieve headaches and migraines. The cooling effect of menthol when applied to the temples or forehead helps reduce the severity of tension headaches. A study published in the Journal of Headache and Pain found that peppermint oil applied to the forehead and temples was effective in reducing pain intensity. Furthermore, peppermint's ability to stimulate circulation can help alleviate the pressure and pain associated with migraines. For fast relief, inhaling peppermint oil or applying it topically to the skin can be highly beneficial. Number 3. Improves mental clarity and focus. Peppermint's refreshing aroma is not only invigorating but also beneficial for enhancing mental clarity and focus. Studies have shown that inhaling peppermint essential oil can improve cognitive performance, boost memory retention, and increase alertness. The stimulating effect of peppermint increases oxygen flow to the brain, promoting better concentration, mental clarity, and improved overall brain function. A study conducted by the International Journal of Neuroscience found that peppermint oil significantly increased alertness and cognitive performance in participants. Number 4. Relieves muscle pain. Peppermint oil is widely used for its analgesic, pain-relieving properties, particularly when it comes to muscle aches and pains. The menthol in peppermint has a cooling effect that soothes sore muscles and reduces inflammation. When applied topically to sore or tense muscles, peppermint oil can help provide immediate relief. Additionally, peppermint oil's ability to stimulate blood flow can help reduce muscle stiffness and promote faster recovery. Many people use peppermint oil as part of a post-workout routine to alleviate soreness and stiffness. Number 5. Improves respiratory health. Peppermint has strong benefits for respiratory health, particularly in relieving symptoms of colds, congestion, and sinus infections. The menthol in peppermint helps open the airways, making it easier to breathe. It has a natural decongestant effect, helping to thin mucus and clear nasal passages. Peppermint tea or inhaling peppermint steam can provide relief from sinus congestion, and using peppermint oil in a diffuser can help improve airflow in the lungs. Peppermint is often included in many over-the-counter chest rubs and inhalants due to its ability to promote clearer breathing. Number 6. Fights bad breath. Peppermint is well known for its ability to freshen breath and improve oral hygiene. The strong, minty aroma of peppermint helps mask bad breath, while its antibacterial properties help combat the bacteria that cause halitosis, bad breath. Many commercial mouthwashes and toothpaste contain peppermint oil for this reason. Peppermint also promotes healthy gums and freshens the mouth for longer periods, making it a great addition to any oral care routine. Chewing peppermint gum can also provide quick relief from bad breath. Number 7. Reduces stress and anxiety. Peppermint oil has been found to have a calming effect, which can help reduce stress and anxiety. The aroma of peppermint has been shown to decrease levels of anxiety and promote relaxation. Studies indicate that inhaling peppermint oil can trigger the release of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which are responsible for regulating mood and emotions. Additionally, peppermint's muscle-relaxing properties can help relieve tension in the body, promoting a sense of calm. Using peppermint oil in aromatherapy or applying it topically during stressful moments can significantly reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. Number 8. Enhances skin health. Peppermint offers numerous benefits for skin health, mainly due to its antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and cooling properties. The menthol in peppermint can soothe itchy or inflamed skin, making it particularly useful for conditions like eczema, psoriasis, or sunburn. Additionally, peppermint oil helps cleanse the skin by eliminating bacteria that cause acne, leading to clearer and healthier skin. It is also commonly used in face masks and skincare products designed to refresh and tighten the skin. Peppermint oil's cooling effect can alleviate irritation and provide relief from itching or inflammation. Number 9. Boosts immune system function. Peppermint has natural antibacterial and antiviral properties that can help strengthen the immune system and fight infections. The menthol and other compounds in peppermint have been shown to boost immune function by promoting the production of white blood cells. White blood cells are essential for combating pathogens and infections. Regular consumption of peppermint tea or using peppermint oil can help prevent colds and other infections by supporting the immune system's natural defenses. Number 10. Supports weight loss. Peppermint may also play a role in supporting weight loss efforts. While it is not a miracle weight loss solution, peppermint has been found to aid in digestion and reduce bloating, which can help maintain a flatter stomach. Additionally, peppermint's ability to curb appetite is a key factor. Drinking peppermint tea or inhaling peppermint oil may help reduce food cravings, especially for unhealthy snacks. Furthermore, peppermint's digestive benefits can improve the efficiency of the digestive system, potentially supporting overall metabolic health and contributing to weight loss over time. Peppermint offers a wide array of health benefits that can improve overall well-being. From relieving digestive discomfort to reducing headaches and boosting mental clarity, this herb has earned its place as a natural remedy in various cultures and medical practices. Whether used as a tea, essential oil, or topical application, peppermint can help treat a variety of conditions, making it a valuable addition to your health regimen. As with any herbal remedy, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using peppermint for medicinal purposes, especially if you have pre-existing conditions or are pregnant. Nevertheless, peppermint's versatility and therapeutic properties make it a powerful natural tool for maintaining health and improving quality of life. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.